Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to stop screen from turning off automatically in Windows 11, 10. First method is change screen timeout and screensaver settings. Second method is power plan settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.